To manage leads in your website, first click on Contacts option. Now here, you can see all lead status, or you can view separately. Now to see any leads with their data, click on any lead to manage it. Here, you can view your leads details or lead status with their data. To change your leads status, click on Leads Status option to change it. Here, you can add reminders and notes. Now the status of the lead has changed to working. If you want to export your leads with their data, then click CSV button, your leads will get downloaded. Here you can set your leads' date and time periods.